I'll throw out a different quote from Warren Buffett, where he once said, if you think the stock market is expensive today, wait until you see how expensive it is 20 years from now. We know the market always recovers. You could go back to World War II. There's so many incidents in which the market recovers. But I want to go back to Jenna's point about young investors. For the young people, there's two things I'll say is this. First, save before you spend. What a lot of people do is they earn their money, they get their paycheck after taxes, and then what they do is they spend the money that they need to spend with the intention of, I'll be as frugal as possible and I'll save what's left over. But that's really hard. And almost all the time, there's nothing left over. So what you have to do is you have to save the money first and then spend what's left over and learn to live that way. The other thing is, for the youngins out there, you are also lucky because you all have $1 million lottery ticket. And if I gave you, Jenna, a lottery ticket for $1 million, you'd be pretty pumped up about that. But what I would say is the only thing you have to do is just wait 20 years. What that means is you just keep putting money into your 401k plan, save, invest before you spend. And in 20 years, maybe a little bit longer, you'll have your $1 million portfolio. And before you know it, on some years, your portfolio will actually return you more than the allowable full contribution that you could make to a 401k plan. So that's something I want to impress upon the younger set.